Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Nothing Phone 4a and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find System. Then let's tap on Backup and tap on Turn On. So we will be immediately transferred to this account section, so just tap on Next and tap on Add Account. If you've got your Google account already added to the device, you will be able to find it here and choose it from the list. If not, we have to add it. So tap on Add Account. And I forgot to mention that you need to make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And only for adding the account you can use mobile data, but to be honest I highly recommend using Wi-Fi so you can avoid some additional charges. So here we have to verify ourselves, so just enter your screen lock, and here we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on Next. Be patient because, as you can see, it might take a while. So right here we have to enter the password. So just do it and tap on Next. So I need to go through the two-step verification, so just give me a second. All right, so this is what you will see after entering your password. So you need to decide who's going to use this device, so just mark the option and tap on Next. Here, Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. And here now we can decide what kind of data we would like to back up, so photos and videos or other device data, or both. It's obviously up to you. I'll pick only this one and tap on Confirm. So now we've just successfully added our account. We can tap on other device data, and here we can check some further details. So for example, how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Under it we've got backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up, and advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off so you can avoid some charges. So all you have to do now is to simply tap on Backup Now, and your device is backing up the data. Of course, confirm everything with your screen lock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.